This subject, as you're a governance expert of sorts, and there's the role of acting interior minister. Now, with the current foreign affairs minister, who's also the prime cabinet secretary, stepping in as acting interior minister, what challenges and opportunities does this present in terms of governance and policy continuity?
First and foremost, it is the whole question of command, command responsibility. For the fact that he's still not sitting in as the substantive cabinet secretary in charge of matters interior. So in terms of discharging that policy guideline or guidance, remains a significant question. In terms of being able to answer to parliamentary questions as relates the rule of law in the Republic to the National Assembly or the Senate, again, that means a big question. And the whole then aspect of being able to manage two very heavy dockets at the same time. What can you do and how well can you discharge that mandate? It's a significant question, and I think it points out to the whole question of organizations of cabinet. It may not be all that difficult, but the whole collective responsibility of cabinet may come into play to aid him into that. But in terms of responsibility, whatever comes or breaks down at that particular two ministries, is ultimately the person responsible.
All right. Now, we are into the home stretch of our conversation. I will ask what I will call quick-fire questions, one for each of you, and then we'll conclude. And I'll start with you as well. You were the last speaker. Now, here's a question for you. Talk to me. What do you think the role, or what would you make of the role of the media in all this, in the coverage of such potentially sensitive events? How have we performed? What would you say?
From where I sit, I would give a thumbs up to the media. Number one, it has been able to keep the public informed. Number two, it has played its constitutional duty as a fourth estate member, not only keeping the public informed, but also responsibly so. For the very first time, you have seen a media in terms of reporting in the court proceedings, not reporting in an excessive manner, not going into an area not within their bounds, so that what you see the media has been reporting has been within the confines and the penalties of the court rooms, and not at one point has even the court itself complained about the role of the media in terms of how it is reporting. So to that extent, I give a thumbs up to the media. I want to encourage them to continue playing that role in a more incisive manner.
All right, thank you very much. Now, if you have an opportunity to give some advice to the new Deputy President as he assumes office, what would you tell him?